welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Boxy Charm Luxe box. So if you haven't heard, Boxy Charm is a subscription service that you subscribe to, and it's $21 a month, and you get, I think it's about 5 full-size makeup products from different companies, and you can try them out. So they started to do quarter boxes, Luxe boxes, and it's every quarter. So September, December, May, and June, I believe. And for an additional $28, they'll send you a bigger box like this. So the regular box, I wish I had a box to show you. I don't. I throw it in my trash. Is a lot smaller. I don't know all the specifics on like what it is. I just know that you get more products. So I was like, might as well try it. So you don't get the regular box the months that the Luxe box comes out. You just get the Luxe box. So we're gonna open it. Hopefully you can't see my address, but we're gonna open this box on camera together and go through the box. Okay. Okay, so I opened the box, and this is the first thing that is there. It's a note card, and open it up, and I think, okay, so it shows you all of the products in here. So for $28, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products. Okay, so one product is from Juice Beauty, and it's $80. So, and it's full size product. So it's definitely worth the money. Like I said, I like Boxy Charm. I've been subscribing to them since I want to say April or May, and I've never been disappointed. I use their products. One of the products that are like one of my favorite that I got is this Note Blush. So their products are really good. The companies they work for are really good, and it's definitely worth the money. So let's go through the box. The first thing that I see, this box is so heavy, that's why I keep like picking it up and putting it down, is this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. So this retails for, open up my card, $35. It's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best look. So this palette alone is $35, and again, you get it for, well, technically it's $49. The box is $49 because you paid this $28 along with your monthly subscription of $21. So even still, $49, you get 11 full-size beauty products, and the beauty products are like worth, they're basically, if you calculate all of it, it's well over $49. So this is what the palette looks like. It's definitely on the cooler tone side of the spectrum. Definitely probably not what I would use. You always need a matte black and a matte gray, and this brown looks pretty nice. This is a nice color, nice shade. You can swatch it. Can you see that? That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Ugh. That's pretty. So yeah, the next thing we have is Grande Lips Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick in semi matte formula. It's called Rebel Raisin. So I've never heard of this company before. So the packaging is so cute. It looks like this. It says Grande Lips on it. I hope you can see it, and you can see the color. So it's like a glass type of thing, and that's the color of the lipstick, which is so pretty. It's like super thick though. Like, that's a really nice color. Like, I really like that, especially since the fall's coming up. Ooh, ooh. Then I have 2 sets of brushes. So these brushes are from, except for $18. And it just looks like, first off, you can never go wrong with brushes. Like, I love getting brushes in these subscription boxes. But it's just like flat. It looks like a concealer brush. It's a blending brush. They don't have the names on them though. And then one of these brushes. I don't think it's gonna focus. There you go. So you have 3 brushes, actually 4 brushes, because this is a Luxe Beauty foundation. Ooh, it's an Airbrush foundation brush, and this is a Luxe 732. This right here, it feels, I wish I would not have makeup on so I can put it on my face. Feels so good. This brush retails for $38. Yeah, and it's so luxurious. It has like a divot so you can put your finger just slides in so you can use it as like a pencil, like you're writing. And I can't wait to try that. I can't wait to try that. I'm putting it right there. The last product on this layer, because it's some down here, is this R plus Co Rico. I don't know I don't know. R plus sign Co. Death Valley dry shampoo. Ooh. Okay. I don't really use dry shampoos. It retails for $17, so this looks like a travel size dry shampoo. Maybe I'll get into dry shampoos, I don't know, but it's paraben and sulfate free, so I guess that's good. Alright, so next we have this Galactic, and I've always wanted to try products from them. It's just I've never tried it yet, so I'm so happy that I'm getting something, and this packaging is so cute, and it's something in this box smells so good. I hope it's a perfume. The packaging is so luxurious and nice, and it does not feel cheap at all. This is the Skin Glow in the shade Moonlight. So I'm assuming, ooh, that's pretty. That blush right there, that's a really pretty blush. Oh, wait a second. That's like a cream. Is it? Let me figure out what this is. Hold on, guys. So I wasn't tripping, but it's so creamy. I thought it was like a lip product. That's how creamy. That's how creamy this is. Like, it's not. It's so sheer too. So that's what I'm. My swatches are horrible. I'm gonna get into it, but it's so sheer, and even this side is so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. I just want to use it because of the formula. That feels so good. Alright, so the next product I have is this. So cute. It's the Vintage Cosmetic Company. I'm reading off, that's why I'm looking down. Dolly Bow Makeup Headband. And this right here, I feel like my daughter's going to take it, but it's like the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's $4.99, and it's basically you put it on so it can protect your hairline from when you do your makeup. So that's so cute. The next product I have is the Sol Genera. So this is what I was smelling. I said it was something in here, and I hope it is perfume. I think this is the same company that does the Brazilian cream, which I don't have. I have a sample of it in my purse. It smells so good, but I don't have the big bottle. But I think this is the same company. So this is a Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. Alright, I got a little bit off, so let me... Can Can you tell the difference? I can tell. Ooh. I can see it. It is this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Oh my god, that smells so good. Now I really have to go to Mexico. Thinking about going to Mexico for my boyfriend's birthday this coming year. Now I gotta go just because I gotta use this. I mean, it's no other reason now. His birthday, so what? I gotta go so I can use this. It smells so good. I'm so happy. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. OMG. And I really like the original Smashbox Primer Water. That it was like legit. I used it all up and I haven't repurchased it, but it's a really good product, so I'm really excited to use this. It says it retails for $32, so this bottle retails for $32. And it's this 3-in-1 primer and setting spray, hydrates, preps, and refreshes the skin. The formula is infused with electrolytes, giving your skin, makeup, and mood a little boost. Ooh. And this is a limited edition Photo Finish Primer Water. It was in collaboration with Nicole Concilio. Never heard of her, but I'm excited to have this because this is a really good product. Okay, you gotta make sure. That smells so energizing. If energizing was a smell, it would smell like this. Gotta make sure your mister is good and give you a jacked up water gun. The next product is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. So this retails for $45 and it is exciting AF. So it's this Amazonian clay infused bronzer bar. Oh, now it says bronzer bar, and see the thing about Tarte is, okay, so this is the packaging. It's so cute. It's mirrored on the back. It already has my fingerprints on it. I'm gonna just keep this. I don't care if I can use it or not, but this feels it's like it's worth $45. So when I open it up, ooh, it looks like this. Definitely not my bronzing shades, but it could be like, I mean, the mirror is nice. That's a really nice mirror. Maybe. Okay. Maybe we have a keeper. This last color, that might work. Especially in the wintertime. Because, you know, winter colors. And last but not least, we have Juice Beauty. And this retails for, it's a Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Which I need because I'm getting older. Preventative measures. His retails for $80. $80. Let me say $80. This retails for $80 and it was in the box. So if you haven't already got on the wait list, because it is a wait list, go do it now. This says this Asia's Ultra Light Serum is power packed with a blend of stem cells infused into a vitamin C and grapeseed formula. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. Apply generously to cleanse face, neck, and décolleté. Followed by some eye treatment that I don't have because $80. Like, so I want to use it, but like, what if I like it though? Like, what if I need it in my life? What if this is the game changer? I'm gonna have to spend $80 on this bottle, and this is 1 fluid ounce. Okay, so I think this is a tease. They set you up in these boxes. They put all this nice products, like you need them in your life, and then now what you gotta do? Don't pay your rent, don't pay your car note. You need the serum. Go get the serum. You know, it's just selfish. It's just selfish thinking. So yeah, that's the box. That's the BoxyCharm Luxe box for the month of September. The next box doesn't come out until December, and of course I will be doing a video on that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you got this box and you got some other products. So I really want to know what else everyone else got. Maybe we can trade products. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah!